Here's how to unarchive a story on Instagram. Now, open up Instagram on your iPhone, Android, or computer. It works the exact same. If you wanted to get a story archive back, to unarchive it or to delete it, we're going to get to your settings to do that. So tap on the profile at the bottom right and the three lines at the top right. Now that we're in your settings, the nice thing is there's an archive of all of the stories that you have created on your Instagram account. You can access them by tapping on Archive. And at the very top, if you're on Post Archive, make sure to switch over to Story Archive. Now, let's say this is the story that maybe I wanted to unarchive. From here, I can tap on More at the bottom right. Oh, let me go back. Tap on More at the bottom right. I can choose to delete this story and it will be permanently deleted from Instagram. I can choose to save it or share it as a post instead and just go through the process of basically getting that archive story and then resharing it as a post. However, you can also just tap on Discard and you can tap on Share at the bottom and you can reshare that archive story to your story again. If you just wanted it to appear again on your story, you can choose to do that, go through the process of choosing who to share it with, add new music, add new captions, all of that stuff, and you're good to go.